Hello, Tony. Thank you for taking some time to watch this video. I'm Travis Miller from Last Dragon Digital Marketing. The point of this video is twofold. One, just to show you some tips and tricks to increase your online presence, to increase your revenue, grow your business. Excuse me. And two is to compare your website to your local competitor's website to beat them in that online traffic. So I'll talk about three things: content, backlinks, and citations. So you could use these tips and tricks on your own to increase your own website. Or if you want to talk anything further about that, please feel free to reach out to me via email, text, or phone call. But also, like it or not, if you could send me some feedback on this video, because I make a lot of these videos for local businesses, and it helps me get better at supporting some local business with free custom videos. But let's get to it. So first I talked about content. So content, you need anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words on your web page, depending on the competition and number of keywords needed. So just looking at your web page, that's something I would kind of focus on, just getting more content on there that helps Google with searches to get you on that first page. So a keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. So when I go into Google, these are our keywords. I typed in plumbing repair, Fort Worth, Texas, since that's one service that you provide. So your content can place keywords throughout your website to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found. For instance, you are in plumbing repair in Fort Worth, you want people to find that. And when you type that in, so here's what comes up. So first comes up this map pack. This is with citations. I'll talk more about that in a minute. But we call these organics here. So the goal is to be on this first page, on the organics. And as you scroll down, you're not on the first page, but you could do some simple things to get on that first page and beat out your local competitors. Because very rarely consumers will go to page 2 to look for a certain service. So you want to be on top of that first page to look for that service. So I'm going to take, now we don't really count these directories like Yelp. I'm going to skip Baker Brothers or Angie, but more of a local company, Fort Worth Plumber. So this is one local company that's kind of on the top of the page, and we want to beat this to get on that first page. So I talked about keywords. So this is a tool we called Ahrefs. So it does a deeper dive into websites. So here's your website right here. In your keywords with your content, you have 53 keywords. So looking at your keywords here, this is a great one here, Ace Plumbing. That has a high search volume of 3,000. So you want to have high volume to let your page be found. Ace Repair, this is some good volume here. So you got some good keywords. So you're definitely on a good start here. Here's a good one. Plumbers, Fort Worth, Texas. So that's giving you some power, some search volume there. But comparing that to your competitor's website, so here's your competitor's website, Fort Worth Plumber. So you could see he has a little bit more content, but definitely beatable. Something we could do is he has some good links here that's helping him get pushed to that first page. But doing a deep dive in his website, so here's him. Compared to your keywords, he has 123 keywords, so he has more keywords than you. So you can see some of these keywords are just giving him a lot of push volume. So he doesn't have big numbers here, but he has a lot of numbers, a lot of little numbers that's getting him a lot of push. Well, here's a good one here, plumbing repair, 11,000. So that, and you could take these keywords, put them in your own website, and that helps you with your search volume to beat this competitor. So secondly, I'll talk about backlinks. So I'll go back to yours. So backlinks is anywhere you could find another website linking to your website. So these links act kind of like an endorsement of your website from others, and that helps Google build trust in your website. So think of it kind of as a popularity contest. So the more backlinks you have, that person wins. But you got to be careful because not all backlinks are created equal. So you want backlinks in plumbing industries linking to your website. It doesn't really help like an insurance or a restaurant to link to your website. It doesn't give you a lot of power. So for you have 740 backlinks. That's actually pretty good, 740. 55 different domains linking to your backlinks, where compared to your competitor, go back here, your competitor, you have more backlinks than him. He has 230 backlinks, 40 different domains. But as I said, not all backlinks are created equal. So I would do a double check. Since you have more backlinks than him, just do a double check of what kind of backlinks you are getting. Because with these numbers, you should be on that first page. If you up your keywords, you could very easily be on that first page when we do that search on these organics. Then finally, citations. So a citation is anywhere where your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as your Google business profile. So citations help you rank in this map pack here. It's extremely important for local businesses to be on this map pack. So kind of like consumers don't go to the second page of organics, very few consumers will click here for more businesses when they search plumbing repair Fort Worth, Texas. So the goal is to be in the top 3, sometimes 4 come up, but definitely be in the top 3 here just to increase your online presence. And citations include directories like you heard of a lot of them: Yelp, Angie's List, Expertise, BBB, 100 others. So the more citations you have, the more trust Google builds in getting you into this map pack. So once Google sees you more often than these competitors, the more likely it is for you to rank above them to get in here. So that's my 3 tips and tricks. So I hope you take these tips and tricks. You could use them yourself. But again, like I said earlier, if you want to reach back out to me and do a deeper dive in that, my door is always open. Either email, cell phone call, or text call. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, if you leave me some feedback on it, that helps me get better at making these. And thank you for your time. Cheers. Have a good day.